we're back at it again. Take that and show the folks there, Dan. Opoka. It is a paste tomato. It almost looks like, how would you describe it, Shug? Almost like peppers looking, or something like that, eh?
Yeah.
It's all right. There's a guy I worked with. He liked them, and his neighbors liked them. So we'll be starting some of these. We'll probably grow a plant or two if they come up. This is a little bit old seed. A couple years old anyway. They should be all right. Alrighty, just like we did last night there. Push down a little bit. Then we'll come in behind with the vermiculite. Little Daryl back there crunching her food. Alrighty folks, I know we planted some Romas last night. We just planted some more here. It's from a different company, the seeds. And I'd rather have too many than not enough. Alrighty. Now just going back through, pushing that down. And then we'll come with the vermiculite. And we're just about done with the tomato seeds.
Okay guys, these are the peppers that we had put on the towels. This is the King Arthur hybrid. And all you do is unfold the towel. Oops. And you see they've germinated. We take some tweezers and sort of gently pull them off the towel. Make a little hole and stick it in there. Sort of put the dirt around it. These will straighten up in a day or two. But this one's already got leaves on it, if you can tell there. Daniel can get a close-up there. Oops, dropped it.
Okay.
See, it's already got the false leaves on it right now. Make a little hole, put them in. This just gives a little head start on the peppers because they take so long to germinate in the dirt. See, here's a good one. It's starting to get the root at the bottom. And there's the leaves. And that's how you plant. See, the seed head is on top there. They're coming off pretty easy. You just got to be careful. Let it come right off. I think almost all these, almost germinated. Some of these are from the other plants here that come off the seed, or come off the top.
The germination rate turned out pretty good, it looks like, here on these. And just slide the shell out. Carolyn had me come over and do it for a little bit here, folks. This will be number 17. But no, it's a pretty good way using the paper towels like that.
Pepper seeds are hard to jump.
Seemed like our light just went off. Probably went dead. Okay.
There was 25 seeds in
25. 16. Stick that down in there. Alright. I'll just double check so I can see any that.
most of those are the seed heads.
King Arthur pepper seeds, and out of the 25, 23 of them germinated. So that's a pretty good germination rate there. And so far so good on the peppers. We'll take a look at the others here in just a second. Alrighty, here's the Orange Blaze hybrid. Let's see how they did. Got several. Now, get the tweezers. We didn't have as many seeds to start with these here. You see, the little seed head just comes right off. And I didn't know it till just a little bit ago. Carolyn said there, if you've got one that don't want to come off, she's seen the roots of refuge, said a little bit of saliva bring it right off. We tried it, sure enough it did. Of course, our little girl down there doing the sound effects, gnawing on a bone. She's got to be there with us. Little Dixie. Whenever I say our little girl, that's who I'm referring to, folks. Germination. Alrighty, folks. These are the hot pepper ones here. I'll go ahead and set them over here. We don't need a whole lot of hot pepper. Set this off onto the table here. Running into a little bit of technical difficulties now. My light went out again. I think somebody keeps unplugging it before it gets charged up all the way. Alright, we got a couple more, and we're about done for this evening. Carolyn's over there. Did it come out? The tweezers she brought me sticking to it for some reason there. Now, if we can get these carried up to the water bed without the wind blowing them away. I thought about that, Shug, but it don't seem to be a burn.
Okay. These may be sweet peppers.
Did you get the packages marked wrong?
No, I'm talking about if it's crossed.
Alrighty. Folks, that's it for this evening. We'll take these up there and put them in the water bed. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification. And if you think friends may like it, let them know about us. Hope y'all have a great day. Thank you again for watching.